Hey everyone, I am Neeti Tanana, teacher of MLZS Jamshedpur, and the topic for the day is see, look and watch. Yes children, today we are going to discuss the difference between see, look and watch. But before beginning the lesson, I want everyone to sing a song along with me. So, good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? I am fine, I am fine, I am fine, thank you. Happy morning to all and sundry. So, see, look and watch. In Hindi we call it देखना, but in English three words for same word देखना. See also, look also and watch also. So there must be some difference between the three. Today I am going to discuss about that minor difference children. First I will be telling you about see. Children, for example, you came in a house and suddenly you see this green bottle. You see it unintentionally, without any plan, pre-planning. Suddenly you came inside and you saw this green bottle. So this is see. Okay. See means to see something unintentionally, unplanned. Okay. You see this nail paint. Okay. So you were not planning, okay, I'll go to Nidhi ma'am's house and I'll see this nail paint. No. It was not any pre-decision. You suddenly came and you see this nail paint, you see this bottle, you see the wallpaper behind me. So all these are, when we see something unintentionally, unplanned, we call it see. Okay? Now, after seeing all this, now you told your sister that, hey, look at the green bottle. Look. Means when you divert somebody's mind, when you divert somebody's attention towards something, that time you will use the word look. You will not use the word see. You will use the word look. Hey, look at this beautiful green bottle. Hey, look at this nail paint. Then you will tell somebody to look. Okay? You have to remember one important point children. When you divert somebody's mind to look at something, that thing should be stationary and not movable. What do you mean by stationary and not movable? Is this bottle moving? No, it is standing properly. This is kept over here without any movable position. So, when something you tell somebody to look at, it should be stationary and not movable. Then you have to say, hey, look at the beautiful bottle. Okay? Now, the third word is watch. I'll give you another example of the word watch. Okay? Now, just wait for a moment. Okay, what is Neeti teacher doing right now? What is she doing? She is watching a song. Okay, she is watching a song. Why have I used the word watch? Because this video which is visible over here is movable. This is not stationary. The video is moving. Okay, characters are moving. So, I am watching the song. What I am doing? I am watching the song, children. Watch means when you look at, watching means observing something which is movable. Okay? And when I want you to join me, what will I say? Hey, come and watch this song along with me. I will not say come and see this song. I will not say come and look at this song. No. I will say, hey, come and watch this song. I am watching this song. The song is very nice. I like the song and I want you to join me. So what will I say? Hey, come and watch this video along with me. Watch. Okay children, so now you have understood the basic difference between see, look and watch. See means to see something unintentionally, like this bottle. Okay? I see this bottle on the table unintentionally without plan. But when I like this bottle and I also want you to see at this, so I will say look. Okay, I will say, hey, look at this beautiful bottle. When I want you to look at this. Okay, now it should be stationary. When I am talking about look, it should be stationary. But watch means not stationary. This video is not stationary. This video is moving, like the characters are moving inside. Everybody is dancing inside. So this is movable and this bottle is stationary. You can understand the difference between look and watch. Okay, so you watch, what all things you watch? You watch television, you watch news, you watch cinema, videos, games, okay, football match, all the characters are moving. And you want people to look at things which are stationary, not movable, like this bottle, this nail paint, this table, this wall. These things are not movable. And see means something unintentional. Suddenly you saw, you are sitting in your dining hall and you saw a lizard crawling on your wall. So that is see. Okay, I hope you like this lesson and do watch my video children and try to learn the basic difference between see, look and watch, and even share it with your family, your brothers, your friends, everyone. Okay, so thank you so much.